I'm Martin Pickering, and this is the super quick setup of the Powerbox-Systems iGyro 3 Extra. Just remember, a gyro isn't an autopilot. You still fly the plane. It just flies smoother and tracks straighter, especially in windy conditions. The 3 Extra can be used straight with a receiver or with regular patch lead power boxes like the Evolution, the Competition, etc. Just not the SRS bus style systems. Receiver in is on the left and signal out to the servos or power box is on the right. Be careful with polarity. Negative always runs around the outside. All setup is done in the radio, including setting a normal wing, delta wing or V-tail. Connect your 3 Extra following the inputs and outputs on this list. Add an extra channel between receiver and gyro to control the amount of gyro gain. Max out the travel on your radio for that channel as well. Fix the gyro anywhere in your model, but always at 90-degree angles. Now to perform a full reset and teach the gyro's orientation. Press and hold the iGyro's button down while turning the model on and release it once the red LEDs start cycling. Don't touch anything and wait for the green LED and flashing red LED. Lift the tail of the model. The red flashing LEDs remind you it's the elevator axis you must move. While lifting, all of the LEDs will start turning on and green. With all lit up, hold it there and wait for the elevator to bounce back to its centre. Repeat the same again on rudder, moving the tail of the plane right. Both the elevator and then the rudder will have moved in random directions. Don't worry about it, that's the next step. With everything turned on, press and hold the gyro's button for about 5 seconds until the green LEDs start cycling. Then let go. Give right aileron, press the button. Left aileron, button. Up elevator to climb, button. Down to descend, button. Right rudder, button. Left rudder, you guessed it, button. In doing this, the gyro has just learnt the direction of all the surfaces, what kind of wing or mixes are used, and all of the servo centres and endpoints. Do this both on the maiden and repeat again if you end up changing any mixes, differentials or centres, including trimming. Max out the gain slider and check that the gyro works in all the right directions. Lift a wing and that aileron should go up. Lift the tail and the elevator should go up. Move the tail and the rudder should go in the same direction. Time to test fly. Take off with 0 gain, slider at 0, and increase the gain in flight. One way and then the other. See which you prefer and then happy flying. If the model starts oscillating, reduce the gain immediately. All 3 axes are controlled together. To fine-tune any one axis, you need to increase or decrease its maximum, and its gains will be changed proportionally. Press the button 5 times. Move the axis that you wish to alter from the radio stick, and move it again to increase or decrease the gain by 5 or 10%, and press the button to exit. For more than 10%, repeat the same process again, same as for any other axis. You can also perform this setup on your phone or PC using a Bluecom or USB interface, along with other fine-tuning settings that you can see in my other full-length video. Connect a Powerbox GPS to the USB port to benefit from the automatic gain changes based on your speed. This becomes increasingly helpful the faster the model can fly, as it allows loads of gain at low speed with only small corrections at high speed. And that's a super quick look at how to use the Powerbox-Systems iGyro 3 Extra. If you want more details and an in-depth look into all of the options and all of its functionality, check out my full iGyro 3 Extra video by clicking in the link above. I hope you enjoyed this express style video and found it helpful. Let me know in the comments if you prefer this style or the usual slower and more in-depth versions. Either way, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.